Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are stepping into the garden to explore one of the most timeless structures you can build, the wooden pergola. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a compact patio, a pergola adds shade, structure and style, transforming a simple garden into an inviting retreat. Let's discover creative wooden pergola ideas that elevate your garden from ordinary to unforgettable. Before diving into styles, here's why pergolas remain a favorite. Visual anchor. Frame your outdoor space, defining dining or lounging zones. Natural shade. Filters sunlight without fully blocking it. Perfect for warm climates. Plant friendly. Ideal for climbing vines, hanging planters, or fairy lights. Flexible design. Works for small courtyards, modern decks, or rustic gardens. A wooden pergola is more than a shelter. It is an architectural statement. Start with the fundamentals. Number 1. Traditional 4-post pergola. Simple beams and rafters, ideal for rectangular patios or decks. Use cedar or pressure-treated pine for durability. Number 2. Arched beam pergola. Curved beams often soften the look and create a more romantic silhouette. Number 3. Attached wall pergola. Anchored to your house, great for shading a patio door or outdoor dining space. Number 4. Corner pergola. A triangular design to make use of awkward garden corners. These basics set the stage for customization with plants, lighting, or furniture. For contemporary gardens, think clean lines and bold details. Floating beam pergola. Hidden supports give the illusion of levitating beams. Geometric grid roof, square or diamond lattice work for striking shadows. Black stained cedar, dark tones create contrast against greenery. Integrated LED channels, built-in strip lighting for a sleek nighttime glow. Pair with concrete pavers, minimalist furniture, or a fire pit for a modern vibe. Love a cozy earthy wear? Rustic pergolas celebrate texture and imperfection. Log beam pergola. Use peeled logs for a cabin-style retreat. Reclaimed barnwood. Weathered timber tells a story and reduces costs. Vine-covered arbor. Trained wisteria, jasmine or grapevines for living shade. Stone and wood combo. Combine timber posts with stone bases for extra character. Rustic pergolas invite birds, bees and plenty of natural fragrance. Why settle for shade alone when your pergola can multitask? Outdoor dining pavilion. Add a large table, string lights and a hanging heater. Pergola with swing. Integrate a porch swing or hammock for lazy afternoons. Garden bar or kitchen. Install a countertop and shelves for entertaining guests. Hot tub enclosure. Frame your spa with privacy curtains or bamboo screens. Two-level pergola. Layered beams create visual drama and extra plant support. Function meets beauty when you design with purpose. Here's why creativity shines. Lighting. Fairy lights, lanterns, or solar spotlights sets the evening mood. Fabrics. Flowing curtains or weatherproof drapes add softness and privacy. Hanging planters. Ferns, orchids, or trailing ivy bring life overhead. Seasonal decor. Pumpkins in fall, garlands for holidays, or vibrant summer cushions. Your pergola can evolve with the seasons, always fresh, never static. Thinking of building your own? Keep these pointers in mind. Wood choice. Cedar and redwood resist rot. Pressure-treated pine is budget-friendly. Anchoring. Use concrete footings or metal post bases for stability. Finish. Seal with outdoor varnish or stain to protect from sun and rain. Tools. A miter saw, level, and strong fasteners are essential for clean assembly. DIY saves money and lets you customize size, style, and finish. A pergola should complement, not overwhelm your space. And there you have it. Wooden pergola ideas to transform any garden into a destination. Which concept sparked your imagination? Drop a comment, hit like if you are ready to build, and subscribe for more outdoor inspiration. So until next time, happy decorating.